In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, just reach settings, then find and select apps right here and go to more. Then select reset app preferences, so this is the last option here. And if you really want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset. And that's it, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.